Hello guys, welcome. Today I want us to look at how to create a path animation using framer motion in a React application. So basically, what's a path animation? A path animation is an animation of an SVG, right? So when I'm going to reload this page, you would see this line, animating and circling this full stack text. So let's dive into it. So yeah, back into the tutorial. So as you can see, I've removed the animation on the full stack. We are no longer having that. So let's get into the code. So we are going to try and locate the hero section. So this is it here, where we have the full stack. Yeah, so this is the full stack here. So what we are going to do is that we are first of all going to collect that SVG from our Figma file. So yeah, so this is our Figma file here, and this is the SVG. So I had already created the SVG. So I'm going to copy the SVG here, and I'm directly going to bring it inside this section. So if I paste this SVG here, and we go back to the application, we are going to see that this is the way it looks like. But we need to bring it right in between this full stack text. So to do that, I'm going to create a span here, and within this span, I'm going to put this full stack inside and also this SVG inside the span. And I'm also going to add some space here so that we have some spacing. So if we look at it, we can see that here the ellipse is below the full stack text. So what we have to do is that we need to bring this shape in between this full stack, and to do that, here on the span, we are going to make the position relative, and here on this SVG, we are going to make the position absolute. Oops, sorry, absolute. Now that we do this, we can see that the full stack is back on the same line, but this shape is below because of some positioning. So just to do some smooth positioning, I can do top 0, and you see that it goes above. So in order for us to like fix this, you just need to play along with the positioning and the width of that SVG. And the way we are going to do it, I'm just going to paste the code here, and voila. Now this is it that we have here. So the next thing that we need to do now is to animate that SVG. And what we are going to animate in the SVG is the path, right? So to animate the path, I've already imported motion above here. So since we've imported motion, I'm going to put here motion.path. And after doing this, I'm going to add initial, like this is the initial state, and path length is going to be 0. Adding a path length of 0 makes this, hidden, right? It's not yet here. Now, for us to make it, to animate it to the visible mode, we're going to put path length to 1. And we are going to put some transition here. And the transition is, we are going to have a duration of let me say 1.5, and ease, let's put ease in out. Yeah, so that is it. Once we come here, you can see it animating. Let's reload the page. You can see it animating, right? And yeah, so let's fix this. React is complaining about it. So yeah, so instead of just making it animate here, I'm just going to say while in view, so that it should always animate when it's in view. So when I come back, if I scroll and I come back, you can see the animation going on well. So I hope you love this video, and if there is any other topic that you would like for me to do, please share it inside the comments, and please like the video and subscribe for more content. Thank you very much.